on a high-speed train, you don't want any movement of the rail line. Any minor movement, even millimetres, can be very disruptive.
But with this sort of technology, you're guaranteeing that the whole area has been surveyed and it is done correctly.
The on-site engineer can be sat in his office and he can connect to that machine, see any problems with the machine, and he can also solve the problems, upload files, anything like that, without going near the operator.
So if you look at it from a risk perspective, people-plant interface is one of the key challenges that we've got, because that's a potential risk between machines coming into contact with people. So if we reduce the number of machines, we have less potential for those instances.
Saving time and money and fuel with machine control is huge.
The client has access to the lifetime data. You've got nothing to hide.
Key for BOMAP is our rolling stiffness measurement, which we call eVibe. This is picked up from sensors that are actually built into the drum and to the equipment that's in the machine. By using this kind of technology, it means you get a complete surface area coverage of the stiffness value from the drum.
And then that gives him a physical compaction value inside the cab, so he can see how hard the ground is underneath the drum.
That means you can reduce the amount of testing that's done on site, which saves time. It saves money, but also reduces the amount of people that need to be on site in a potentially dangerous area.
And with the BOMAP system, it can be adapted to other rollers or other machines. But when it's on the BOMAP roller, you can get all the extra information of compaction rates and values, and it's like the missing, for me, it's the missing link for machine control within the industry.
BOMAP are instrumental, so we rely on BOMAP's ability to think outside the box for us. They offer solutions that we don't see from others in the market. As the BOMAP system, for one example, has been game-changing for a customer of ours in the south. They've managed to capture lots of data for the rate of compaction, the amount of passes, and it's really helped improve productivity on their project.
So it normally takes around 10 to 15 minutes to train the operators. And the thing we say to them all is paint the screen green, because that means when the targets are set, when that screen shows green, you've met all your targets.
It's easier to access, it's very easy. It's not complicated, it's an easy app.
Here we're set to a minimum of 3 passes. Once they've done 3 passes, it will go from red, which is below the target, to green, which is at the target. If they go over, it will go blue, so they know they've gone too many.
This app literally tells it how many passes to do, and then the BOMAP, in conjunction with the BOMAG, tells it again the compaction rate as well, so it gives that data back to the operator and again back to the engineer remotely.
So with BOMAP, you've got the supervisor's live view mode, which they can look live at what's happening, so they can be remote from the project or another part of the job, and they can click on that project that the operator's rolling on, and they can see live exactly what's happening. Likewise, when a project's been finished, they've got a supervisor view where they can see, like this project which is completed in Peterborough, they can move the screen around and they can see exactly what was completed on that job and all the measurements. So there they can see the number of passes and the temperature of the ground.
It's impartial. What's shown is factual. It's all backed up by GPS. You can't forge it, so it just eliminates any doubt.
There's certainly a lot less rework involved because you are investigating potential weak areas from the BOMAP reports.
Our clients like to know that they're getting the best equipment for the job, and that needs to be almost like a discussion that isn't had. And when it comes to using BOMAP machinery, that discussion doesn't need to be had.
We had no issues with placing our largest order with BOMAP for next year. We've been using BOMAP for a very long time, so it was an easy decision for us.
The work gets done properly for a start. It can potentially be done quicker, saving time, money, emissions, fuel. So there's a whole range of things which provides a lower total cost of ownership. BOMAP are known worldwide for being the leader in compaction.
They will listen to us, they will listen to our customers, and they'll develop solutions that are actually useful on site.
And we just want to buy a roller that's fully spec'd and ready to go.